stuffed crepes with chicken and poblano chili sauce. For this recipe we are going to use crepes. In my case I am using tortilla and poblano chili previously cooked and chopped in julienne, corn, cream, sour cream, chicken breast, and in a blender I put the milk, the chicken stock, and poblano chili. And those are the ingredients for this recipe. We're going to blend the mixture that I show you, and we are going to put it in a pot for a few minutes, just to reduce and to get hot the sauce. In another pan we are going to put the poblano chili, the chicken breast, and the corn. We just saute all of the ingredients and season it. For the presentation we are going to put the mixture in the tortilla or the crepes. We are going to use that form and cover with the sauce and a bit of the mixture over there. Thank you.